Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be making Pukht Biryani with the help of Shan's Sindhi Biryani Masala and home spices. So for this we'll be needing 2 medium fried onions, 1 cup of yogurt, 1 cup of tomato paste, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of lasan adrak paste, oil 1/4 cup, rice 1/2 kg, chicken 1 kg, zero 1 tablespoon. I'm using zero powder, dhania powder 1 tablespoon, garam masala 1 teaspoon, lal mirch 1 tablespoon, 2 long, 4 kali mirch, 6 to 8 gol mirch, 1/2 teaspoon of zeera, 4 aloo bukhara, and 1 cup of hara dhania. So I'm gonna start by adding all my spices except for the hara dhania into my chicken. I'm using leg pieces. So I'm gonna start by adding these spices. Adding my spices to drumsticks. So now that these are in, I'm going to add in my onions. And I'm using the oil that I fried my onions in, and I'm going to add this in. Then our tomato paste. Our adrak lasan paste. Our aloo bukhara and yogurt also. And now I'm going to be adding in 1 tablespoon of our Sindhi masala. So now I'm just going to mix this in. And then I'm going to refrigerate this for 2 hours, and so that all the spices are soaked into the chicken and gives more flavor. So the chicken has been resting in the fridge for a while, so I'm going to go take it out now. So I am going, because we put oil in the spices, we don't need to put extra oil to let the chicken cook. So I'm just going to keep the lid in a side and add in all of our chicken. So I'm just going to put the lid on and I'm going to let this cook, the chicken cook, for 30 to 35 minutes. So it's been 30 minutes since the korma has been cooking. I'm going to check if it's ready, and if it is, I'm going to turn the flame off. So you can see that the chicken is cooked, so I'm going to turn the stove off now, and I'm going to head to the counter. I've pre-boiled and steamed some rice. 3/4 of the rice is cooked, only 1/4 is not cooked, and I'm going to cook it once it is on dum. So I'm going to start. So I have this clay pot over here in which we will be doing the dum. So I'm going to put the lid aside and take this off. I'm going to take some oil out of the curry that we just made, and I'm going to put it at the bottom of this pot. So once that's there, this is around a 1/4 cup of oil from the curry only. I'm going to take 1/3 of our rice, and I'm just going to layer it on top of the oil. So now I'm going to add in some of our chicken. So I'm going to continue doing this with the whole of the rice. So now that these are all layered, I'm going to take some atta, and this will help the lid in sticking to the pot. So I'm just going to put this around the lid. Dum will take around 15 to 20 minutes, so I'm gonna wait till then, and I'm going to check in intervals as well. It's been around 20 minutes since the pot has been on dum, and we're going to see if it's done now. So I'm using adult help because it's really hot right now. So now that the top is off, I'm going to hold it from one side and I'm going to mix the salt. Yum. So now that this is out, I'm going to take some of our green coriander that I showed in the beginning of the video, and I'm just going to sprinkle it on. So that's our
nice
dum Pukht biryani.
I love biryani. I'm like a fan.
So I'm gonna have this with my family, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Please like, subscribe, and share my videos. Bye.